Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blend shapes with and colors using the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to copy and paste a few things. I'm also going to change the color of it, of course. Okay, I guess that's gonna, yeah, it is. Okay, so I keep saying okay, sorry about that, but I'm going to change the color of the shapes we got here. Let's see, the last one I want to be a purple color. Okay. I think I might change it to like a star shape instead. And I'm going to color it yellow. I'm actually going to make this one big, and I actually want 2 stars and then 1 circle. Then I'll select a different color for this one. Okay, so once you're done with that took me a while. Go to the object. Actually, no, select this bit over here, which is the blend tool, and you're going to select the shape here. And then select blend tool, and you're going to blend it like that. And for instance, this one to that, to blend the shapes with the colors. And the colors, not with the colors. I'm actually just going to make this a little bit smaller as well. And maybe I'll do like this one first. I'll fix that later. And this one next. Then I'm going to select the blend options. Here you can select object and then blend options, and I'm going to select specified steps, and I'm going to like type in around like 5,000, and it's going to blend it out like this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!